Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley says Venezuela is looking favorably at the proposal for Jamaica to repurchase the 49% stake it has in Petrojam. Venezuela owns the stake through its state-owned oil refinery, PDVSA. Dashan Hendricks has the details.
U.S. sanctions on Venezuela and its state-owned oil refinery PDVSA affecting its relationship with Petrojam. PDVSA owns 49% of Petrojam since 2006. It was to expand and upgrade the refinery, but the latest agreement to do so expired in February with no progress. Then on March 22, Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley led a delegation to Venezuela to start negotiations to repurchase the shares. On Tuesday, he gave an update in Parliament.
That this is a commercially sensitive matter, the details of which cannot be disclosed publicly at this time.
The recent budget sets aside $35 billion to repurchase the 49% of Petrojam owned by PDVSA. There is no agreement as yet, but Dr. Andrew Wheatley says Venezuela is looking favorably at the proposal.
We have been assured that the offer will be reviewed and considered by the Venezuelan government with a view to reverting to us shortly.
He told the House that within days a Venezuelan delegation will visit Jamaica to continue negotiations.
The repurchase of the 49% shares in Petrojam was to ensure that we are in control of our energy security going forward, Mr. Speaker, and more particularly that we are able to undertake the necessary upgrade to our refinery.
The upgrade at last check was to cost more than $1 billion. Dr. Wheatley says the repurchase did not mean Jamaica will be abandoning Petrocaribe, but steps are already being made to start purchasing oil from Mexico. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The Bank of Jamaica today left its policy rate unchanged at 2.75%. In making the decision, the bank pointed to inflation, which it expects to remain within the 4 to 6% range over the next 2 years. It also said an anticipated slowing of economic growth influenced it to maintain the rates at the historically low level. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $126.33. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $99.01. The pound sterling now costs $178.37, while the euro is going for $156.73. The JSE index today lost more than 1,208 points, while the junior market index lost 26. Stocks posting gains included 1834 Investments, Berita Investments, Elite Diagnostics, Jamaica Producers, Knutsford Express, Proven Investments, Sterling Investments, and Wysinco Group. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Carreras, Express Catering, Iron Rock Insurance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Key Insurance, Lasco Financial, NCB Financial Group, and Seprod. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.